Welcome to the channel. And in today's episode, my brother's installing red Honda Goldwing wheel decals on his 2022 Honda Goldwing. So let's check out how well he does with it. Links will be in the description below. And like always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.
Alright, so what I have here is the red Goldwing decals for the front and rear tires. There's looks like 3 per side. Looks like 3 per side. Yep. And basically, they go on right around the edge here. Okay. What I'm going to do is get a little bit of painter's tape and just kind of put them down, so I roughly get an idea where I need to have them and then line them up. So let me get one side done and I will show you. This is the front tire first. Alright, so there is 3 on each side. The spacing is I probably should have done a better job at spacing them. As you can see there, and then I got a little bit left over there. Altogether, it doesn't look too bad, even though there is a pretty good gap on the one spot. Yeah, and the lining them up is interesting as well. I'm definitely not a pro, but it will look better on my bike, I think, just to have it on there. So anyways, that's that. I'm going to put the back ones on now, and I'll show you when the back ones are done. Okay? So the back tire, I did a much better job on the spacing. And the lineup was pretty damn good. Not pro level, but I'm getting the hang of it. Too bad I'm almost done. But I think it does look, I like the red against the black. It looks good. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know, the more of these you do, the better you get at it. My spacing is almost dead on now, and my alignment is much better. Not perfect, but not bad for a homemade job. Look at that. Recommendations: do the back tire first before you do the front tire. The front tire is more visible than the back tire, so I did it the ass backwards. So my back tire is much better than my front tire. But I do like it. We'll show you what it looks like when it's on. All right, so this is what they look like when they're back on the bike. My little bit of misalignment on the front one doesn't look too bad. I do like the way it ties in with the rest of the red on the bike. And you can actually see quite a bit of the back tire. A lot more than I thought you were going to. So that's what it looks like.